Difference between Salesforce Lightning versus Classic. Which one is right for you? Salesforce offers two user interfaces, Salesforce Lightning and Salesforce Classic. Each interface has its own set of features and advantages, and the choice between them depends on various factors such as user preferences, business requirements, and existing implementations. Below are some key points to consider when deciding between Salesforce Lightning and Classic. Salesforce Lightning, modern user interface. Lightning provides a modern, visually appealing interface that is designed to enhance user experience and productivity. It uses a component-based framework, making it more flexible for customization, dynamic pages, and components. Lightning allows users to create dynamic pages with customizable components, providing a more tailored experience for different user roles and needs. Automation and productivity tools. Lightning experience includes features like Kanban views, path, and advanced automation tools that may not be available or as robust in Classic. App Exchange apps. Many new apps and features from the Salesforce App Exchange are built specifically for Lightning, taking advantage of its modern architecture. Salesforce Einstein. Lightning incorporates Salesforce Einstein, which is Salesforce's artificial intelligence (AI) platform, providing advanced analytics and insights. Salesforce Classic, established and familiar. Classic has been around longer and may be more familiar to users who have been using Salesforce for an extended period. Matured ecosystem. Some organizations might have customizations, integrations, or apps built specifically for Classic, and transitioning to Lightning could require additional effort. Limited new features. Salesforce has been focusing on developing new features and enhancements in Lightning, so future innovations may be more concentrated in the Lightning experience. Customization limitations. While Classic allows customization, Lightning provides a more flexible and modern framework for creating customized pages and components. Factors to consider. User training and adoption. Consider the learning curve for users and their comfort with a more modern or established interface. Customizations and integrations. Evaluate the existing customizations, integrations, and third-party apps your organization uses, as some may be more compatible with one interface over the other. Future roadmap. Check Salesforce's roadmap and announcements to understand the company's focus and direction. This can help in making an informed decision based on future developments. User feedback. Gather feedback from your user base to understand their preferences and pain points with the current interface. Implementation timeline and effort. Assess the resources and time required for migration if you're considering transitioning from Classic to Lightning. In conclusion, the choice between Salesforce Lightning and Classic depends on your organization's specific needs, preferences, and considerations. It may be helpful to pilot Lightning with a small group of users to gather feedback and assess its suitability for your business processes before making a full transition.